In Myanmar, 70% of the population relies on agriculture, often for subsistence livelihoods. The time and labor required to water crops are a big challenge for every farmer. Farmers who want to increase production often seek inputs like fertilizers and pesticides, not realizing there may be natural alternatives. Farmers also often buy seeds, losing the custom of saving seeds and local plant varieties. When farmers have extra money, they may invest by buying livestock, perhaps a chicken, pig, or a cow. Costs may cause farmers to seek loans. Banks rarely make loans small enough for farmers, so they may borrow informally. But a poor crop due to weather conditions or changing market prices can leave them in debt. Sickness among their animals can eliminate their savings. An accident or the death of a family member may be costly and reduce available labor. Extreme weather or natural disaster may wipe out everything in an instant. There are many ways for small problems to grow into an overwhelming burden, growing heavier over time. For smallholder farmers, investments that improve technology and techniques and provide the financial credit to access them can have a profound social impact. Daw Thuy Yin lost her husband 5 years ago. Being a single mother with 4 kids and taking care of the farm by herself was no easy task. She had no time to grow more than a few plants for her own use. One day she heard about some irrigation products which could save her time and labor and decided to try one. Today, Daw Thuy Yin has doubled her production of betel and has free time for herself. She uses it to volunteer, teach the Karen language to local kids, and sing at ceremonies, one of her biggest hobbies. When it comes to products, farmers don't have spare cash to fix or replace tools, which are easily broken. Inputs and products also have to be affordable. The best farming product available will be useless if no one can afford to buy it. One not-for-profit social enterprise operating in Myanmar has focused on smallholder farmers. Proximity Designs produces irrigation tools and sells solar lamps. When farmers cannot afford their products, Proximity Designs provides microcredit financial services. Farmer advisory services are also available, from training on pest control and diagnosing crop diseases to helping farmers reduce, adjust, and replace the use of chemicals.
So, the product that they load at Niama, the Pramau zone in the trip depot, no, Kayituare, 12 years no town to Rene, Zaga Pure, Hello Pure, Chima, General Barry, Savi Twila, the True Lu Achadi, Sat Twila, the Rue Akari Twila, Ari Kakari Lu Achadi, Ari Bori Yala, Ari Bomachi, and Mutuno, the idea about no Savio. Idea generation start load there. Chano Dima Aloloara or Laza to Chano Alolodam or Laza would take Ediga Matao, Riga or Tono Laza Bomanyare, Dame Diga Tono look like the design, no? Look like the design are the town we feeders the Pitiga, Nyai was it. Now Tonorua the impact of Yan and Dinda the impact on no allowed to a Juday of movie Sheila, so I don't can be a change in Norway one time to cover.
Daw Kin Wei and U Shui Lin have 7 daughters. The youngest was able to go to university thanks to farming tools and services that enabled an increase in agricultural production.
When Reducing poverty requires understanding what makes people poor and what keeps them poor.
Instead of ignoring smallholder farmers as too small to matter, investments in agriculture can treat farmers like customers who together are part of an untapped market. Innovating beyond large agribusiness and plantations to focus on smallholders can help to break down the poverty cycle and bring true social transformation.